In today's video, I am going to teach you how to migrate Brevo to Klavyio. If you have contacts stored in Brevo and you want them available inside Klavyio, this process helps you import your Klavyio contact file into the right place. The goal is simple. You will use the CRM import option, choose the import method, and select your Klavyio file so the contacts can be brought over smoothly. To begin, open the CRM area where you manage lists. Once you are there, click on crm.list. This is the section that controls your contact lists and gives you access to the actions you need for importing. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct CRM list screen because that is where the import options will appear. Next, look for the three dots menu next to the list area. Click crm.list, then find the three dots. This menu usually contains additional tools and actions that are not shown on the main screen. When you open it, you should see choices related to importing and managing data. This step matters because it is the gateway to the import workflow. After you open the three dots menu, select Import Contact. This tells the system that you want to bring in contact records rather than doing some other type of list update. Before you proceed, be sure you are choosing the Contact Import option, since there may be other import-related tools available in the same menu. Once you click Import Contact, you will be presented with a few ways to import. In the instructions, you will choose Import from a file. Go ahead and select that option. This is the part where you provide the data source, usually a file that you already exported or prepared from Klavyio. Importing from a file is helpful because it keeps the process consistent and repeatable. Now that you have selected Import from a file, the system will prompt you to provide the file. At this stage, pay attention to the file picker window and the file format it accepts. Some tools accept common formats like CSV, but the important thing is that you use the Klavyio export file you intend to migrate. Do not use the wrong file, because that could lead to missing fields or incomplete imports. With the file selection window open, locate your Klavyio file on your computer. Then select it and confirm the choice so it is ready to upload. This is the key step where your contact data enters the import process. If your screen shows an upload button, you will click that to start the upload. After the upload begins, take a moment to let the system process the file. Depending on your file size and the amount of data, this can take a little time. During this processing phase, it is best not to refresh the page or close the import window, because that can interrupt the upload or processing. When the import processing finishes, you should see results or confirmation that the contacts were imported. If the interface displays a summary, review it to ensure the import completed successfully. If it mentions any issues, that means the next action would be to adjust the file. But the core workflow remains the same. The contacts come from your Klavyio file and enter through the Import from a file option. Once you confirm that the contacts are in place, you have completed the migration step you came here for. Your contacts should now be available within the CRM list environment based on the file you imported. And that covers everything you need to know.